Welcome to the Peaches and Cream Foundation book series. Fun, creative, and supportive tools for literacy, growth, and mental wellness. Our personal writing diary is creative and fun. It teaches cursive writing, offers practice exercises, and helps kids improve their reading and comprehension. Plus, it's a journal, a place to write, draw, and express themselves. For middle and high school students, the personal mentoring diary is like a mentor in a book. It's not just a diary. It teaches life skills and soft skills while giving students space to write, reflect, and grow. The Personal Intern Diary helps college students build soft skills, encourages reflection, and supports their growth in academics, career, and personal life. Our Support Your Mental collection is part of the Mental Wellness Initiative. With a planner, workbook, and paperback, it provides journaling, reflection, and emotional support. Plus our Support Your Mental song. And there's more. You can order matching merchandise from our online store, t-shirts, bags, mugs, and more to go along with your books. Share your creativity through selfies and fun exercises from the diaries. Every purchase makes a difference, supporting students everywhere. The Peaches and Cream Foundation book series is available now on Amazon, in paperback and ebook. For merchandise, visit www.peachesandcream.org and click on Shop. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun and resources.